Hashta na! So, ito na nga. Sabi nila, ang bilis daw ng pera sa abroad, 'di ba? Totoo nga naman talaga. Ang bilis-bilis ng pera sa abroad. Pareho nito. Konting ano lang, kibot lang. 35 pounds na to. At kung mabayaran mo ng 14 days. Pero kung hindi mo mabayaran ng 14 days, 70 pounds to. Bayarin. Hindi income, guys. Bayarin. So, ito na ang nangyari. So, that day, maulan kasi. So, I brought my car, went out, may binili lang ako. And then, yeah, dahil kasi may binili ako, and I'm thinking na ma-receive ko rin yung parcel ko na car mat. So, I said na, okay, I'll get a park nearby kasi yung parking space ko talaga is a bit far. So, dito 30 minutes bay namin, full. Tapos may loading bay rin kami dito which is full. So, I just dito sa gilid namin, nung malapit sa Asian store namin, may loading bay, of course. So, may loading bay doon. So, I parked there for about like 5 minutes only kasi nga yung, ano lang, drain up ko lang. And then, I thought that it's my car mat, pero ang ano pala is, ano ka lang pala yun, damit ko lang pala yun, Shein. So, I did not brought anything going back to my car. So, pagbalik ko, nandun na si kuya. Nakaprinta na ng ganito. Nilalagay to ni kuya sa plastic. And then, i-clip lang niya dyan sa, ano yun? Wiper mo, sa wiper mo. Clinic-clip lang niya dyan sa wiper para make sure na nare-receive mo tong notice mo na mali yung pinarkingan mo. So, sabi ko ni kuya, I just bought my groceries back to my, i-drain up ko lang yung grocery ko sa bahay. So, why? It's just 5 minutes. So, sabi niya, no, because you did not brought anything back. Kasi loading bay daw yun. So, ano ba talaga? So, as far as I know, enlighten me guys, as far as I know, loading bay, yeah, loading nga naman. But, can I not, like, drop my things sa car ko, sa bahay ko? Hindi ba pwede yun na mag-unload ng things? Hindi ba pwede yun? Please enlighten me, guys. But yeah, that's it. Pero nag-attest ako kasi sabi nga ni kuya na it's already printed. I cannot cancel it. So, may piece dito kasi na you can cut out and then send it through mail. And then sabihin mo sa kanila na what happened. You can explain yourself. Yeah, because if you're in the right ground, you need to appeal. So, yun. But what I did is I went to their website and then I explained what happened. Like, yeah, is it okay? Kasi resident naman ako dito eh. Di ba? I'm a resident here. I'm paying my council tax. So, yeah. So, yun lang. And then, that's it. So, take care guys. Bye!